The electronics industry is at the forefront of innovation, shaping our world and changing the way we live, work, and connect. By leveraging advancements in communication, computing, artificial intelligence, automation, and healthcare, this industry promotes sustainable solutions and enhances people's quality of life. Additionally, it helps companies become more prepared and competitive by using advanced technologies to develop successful products. For over 30 years, Hymix has been dedicated to providing transformative solutions in electronics, driven by our commitment to innovation and excellence. We are a Brazilian EMS company offering a comprehensive range of electronic manufacturing solutions in one place. Our capabilities include manufacturing design, prototyping, pilot batches, supply chain, large-scale production, box builds, testing, and product lifecycle management. We assemble electronic boards with precision and cutting-edge technology, integrating components from the simplest to the most complex. At our facility in Pato Branco, Paraná, we use state-of-the-art equipment to produce millions of items annually. Our SMT process can handle fine pitch, BGA, micro BGA, micro QFP, and 008004 components, as well as solder complex, lead-free components using reflow ovens. Our experience and certifications ensure we provide tailor-made solutions for the most demanding markets. Our multidisciplinary team is highly trained and committed to product excellence. We cater to industries demanding high-complexity solutions, including precision agriculture, industrial automation, automotive, aerospace defense, energy, IoT, telecommunications, security, and medicine. To meet the needs of both domestic and international markets, we rely on a global logistics process and strong partnerships with key supplier markets in Asia, the United States, and Europe. Hymix is renowned for high-complexity electronic manufacturing in Brazil. Thanks to our skilled engineering and advanced equipment, we design smart and efficient processes. Our proprietary system allows us to monitor processes and products in real time, ensuring quality and full traceability. At Hymix, our goal is to transform your ideas into reality with innovation, quality, and efficiency. We strive for excellence in every phase, from design to customer service. Together, we turn innovations into reality. All your electronic manufacturing solutions in one place to turn your ideas into successful products. Hymix, one stop, all solutions.